Nisambula Binaka, and a very good morning to you all. A very special welcome to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji, who is present here this morning to support this worthy cause. I am deeply honored to officiate at today's launching of the 2019 Poppy Appeal. As a former service personnel, it is humbling to be amongst you all and to share a few words to remember our courageous Fijian men and women of the Fijian Disciplined Forces. Today marks the launch of the annual Poppy Appeal in Fiji. From its inspiration in the famous World War poem In Flanders Field, written by a Canadian physician, soldier, teacher, and poet, Lieutenant Colonel John McCree, the poppy has continued to be a global emblem of the selfless sacrifice of our fallen heroes, veterans, enlisted servicemen and women. The Poppy Appeal has always resonated so deeply with us, as it is one of the cause which commands our highest honors and support our Ex-Servicemen Association. We as Fijians have always feel obligated in ensuring that the world we live in is a safe place by bringing peace and security to troubled regions. Fiji is a proud country that has continuously made commitments to effectively contribute to world peace through the various peacekeeping missions. It is without doubt that the dedication and selfless commitment, dedication and sacrifice of our Fijian servicemen and women needs to be acknowledged, respected, and most importantly, supported. To all our service personnel, both current and former, and your families, your dedication and bravery in times of despair has placed Fiji in the global front as a pillar of strength and resilience. The nation and I salute you with our greatest respect and gratitude for your service. A big vinakawakalevu to you all. My fellow Fijians, our veterans, servicemen and women gave so much for the stability and prosperity that we enjoy today. They gave their today for our tomorrow. They withstood the test of time. Whilst government continually provides much needed assistance and programs to support our heroes, it is also befitting that we as a nation repay this sacrifice and honor them by buying a poppy. Our support during the Poppy Appeal period will timely go towards the Ex-Servicemen Association and the welfare of our veterans and their families. Ladies and gentlemen, this appeal will run until November the 11th, which is also the culmination of our formal celebration of Remembrance Day. I encourage you all to buy a poppy, and most importantly, wear it proudly, in remembrance of the bravery, courage, and the ultimate sacrifice that our servicemen have made over the years in our pursuit of global peace and security and the protection of our way of life. Thank you, and may God bless us all.